Hello, my fine fellow homeschooler astronomy aficionados. Welcome. Make sure you share this with your friends and make sure your parents are sharing it with their friends. And let's go all across the country. This is going to be a lot of fun. Also, at the same time, if you can have them like the Lefties Facebook page, that would be really helpful to me. Today's subject is eclipses, syzygies, and transits. Now, Syzygy, the greatest word, is an alignment of three heavenly bodies, like in an eclipse. So there are basically two types of eclipses. There's the solar eclipse, my favorite, and the lunar eclipse. The solar eclipse is when the sun gets blocked out by the moon. A lunar eclipse is when the moon gets blanked out, basically, because it falls into the shadow of the Earth. So with the solar eclipse, like we had on August 21st a couple years ago, was absolutely phenomenal. You had a temperature drop of like 15 degrees in 30 seconds. You had a full 360-degree sunset. You had all the stars popping out, all the birds chirping, and the cows mooing. It was just absolutely incredible. I'll include some of my pictures that I saw there. The shortest ones that I've seen is 2 minutes and 31 seconds, and the longest one has been over 7 minutes long. Now, a lunar eclipse, they last 4 or 5 hours long, and because the moon is 1/3 the size of the Earth, therefore the Earth is 3 times bigger than the moon, so the Earth's shadow is really big, and it takes about 4 hours for the moon to move through the shadow of the Earth. And it turns the moon a blood red. And the reason why it's a blood red is it's all the light that's going through the atmosphere of the Earth, just like at a sunset, so no direct light is landing on the moon. Transit is another syzygy, and what a transit is, a planet only can happen with Mercury and Venus and the Earth and Sun. That's when the actual planet, Mercury or Venus, go in between the Earth and the Sun. And it just has a little black dot. I'll include a picture of that as well. Those are really rare. The Venus ones only happen about every 20, 30 years, and the Venus ones happen every about 128 years. It's really remarkable. And last but not least, those are called transits. Very rare. So tomorrow I'm going to be covering the moon, and we're going to have a little bit of loony fun. Take care.